is up, everybody? Welcome back to Slay Sunday. So for this week, I wanted to put my spin on an Ariel look, Ariel from the Little Mermaid, because with Halle Bailey playing her in the live action that's coming out next year, I had to take the opportunity to do an Ariel look for the black girls, okay? Black girl magic, yes. But yes, so with this look starting out, it was all Beauty Bay today. So I'm using my Beauty Bay Midnight palette. It was the, like the 16 or 12 pan one, whatever. But I'm taking that and I'm going in with that really pretty lavender lilac shade, and that is my transition color. And next I'm taking that true purple shade in the palette, and I'm taking my e.l.f. crease brush and I'm applying that shade in my crease. And I'm just going in still with that shade to get it to the opacity that I want. So I'm just going back in and like stamping the color in first and then blending so that it gives the color payoff that I'm wanting. And now I am going in with that other lavenderish shade in the palette, and I'm taking my Packer brush and I'm putting that color all over my lid. Yes, I really like. This was my first time playing with the purples in this palette. I've played with the blues in the past, but this was my first time playing with the purples in this Beauty Bay palette. And the purples were really coming through. The purples were giving. And I know purple and blues, like eyeshadows, those are harder to make. And sometimes they can be a little bit trickier to blend, but these were blending like a dream. And now I'm taking that really pretty shimmer shade and I am taking my finger and I'm just applying that over the lid shade. I just wanted to do a little something else with the look. Like the all matte was pretty, but I wanted to have a little bit of shimmer and sparkle in there. And so now I'm going in with that kind of pinkish purple. And I am putting that in my inner corner to brighten up the eyes. And now for another Beauty Bay palette, I'm taking my Wilderness palette. It's been a little moment since I've played with this one, but another gorgeous palette, of course, by Beauty Bay. I was really trying to figure out what green shade I wanted to use because I knew I wanted to incorporate green in the look because Ariel's tail is obviously green, so I wanted to do a purple and green look. And so the shade I went in with at first, it was that more kind of seafoam green color. I didn't like it as much, so like it's a pretty shade but not for that look, so I decided to go in with a different green, a little bit more of an olive-ish kind of green. It like wasn't quite true olive green, but still I went with a deeper green, and I'm applying that on my lower lash line. And much like with my lid, I wanted to zhuzh up the lower lash line as well. So I'm going in with that really pretty lime shimmer shade. And I'm taking my my angled brush again from e.l.f. and I am applying that over the other green on the lower lash line. And I applied my mascara and lashes off camera. So now it's time for, of course, the iconic red lip. And I'm taking actually the same lipstick that I used in last week's tutorial. I'm taking my Juvia's Place. Let's see, I have it right here. It's actually just called the Perfect Red, which it is very much a perfect red, especially on my skin tone. But I'm going in with that burgundy lip liner first, my Kiss lip liner, and then I will apply the lipstick. I am just setting my face with that Kimchi Stage Proof setting spray. I really do like that setting spray. It's very nice. And now I'm just drying off the face. And in 3, 2, 1, voila! There is the final finished look as Miss Ariel. Yes, I was really having it. I was so happy with how this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's tutorial, and I'll be back next week with some more. Grab you a good old dingle hopper and have a good rest of your Sunday. Bye, you guys.